Hey everybody, Globe Digger here. Thanks for visiting my YouTube page and I hope you subscribe. In 2020, I took this epic trip to Thailand and it was really a different experience for me in terms of how I travel, getting in there, staying in these dive hotels, which we all know Thailand has, staying in Airbnbs. There was no resorts, and it was really about getting in there and experiencing what it would be like, at least to an extent, to live there. Taking in the amazing nightlife, the awesome beaches, the street food, the temples, and everything else that Thailand has to offer. So this vacation that I took really has inspired me to travel and see more of the world in this way in 2022, which is going to include, staying in hostels, maybe crashing on the odd couch, also staying in some nice hotels, but it's going to be really about getting off the beaten path and mixing with the locals even more and really learning what it's like to live in these respective countries I'm going to be visiting. And they're going to include at least 5 continents. I'm going to be going to South America. I'm going to be going to Central America, all through Europe. I want to hit up Asia and maybe Australia, and then, make my way back. So click subscribe and see my journey through my eyes as I get off the beaten path, visiting night markets, taking in unbelievable nightlife, seeing all the amazing beaches, the street food, tourist attractions, landscapes, and most importantly, meeting tons of amazing people, including locals. You'll get a sense of really what it's like to both be a local as well as a tourist. And I'm going to have that camera with me. I'm going to be videoing this frequently, and hopefully we get some great conversations to give you a real sense of what it's like in these countries. And and I'm also going to be sharing some tips and tricks, especially traveling during a pandemic, just in terms of what was my experience like getting into these different countries. I'll share with you to make things better for you if you're thinking of going to any of these countries. Click subscribe and we'll see you on the road.